Good day, champions. I'm glad to have you in class today. Today's lesson is on social studies and our topic is physical environment. You will recall that social studies is the study of people in relation to each other and to their physical environment. It is important to study social studies because it helps people develop the ability to make informed decisions to be good citizens. And as good citizens, you'll be responsible, fair, respectful, caring, diligent, trustworthy, honest, and helpful. Now to the topic of the day, which is physical environment. Physical environment refers to the area in which all living things dwell in to make the earth habitable. Examples of these are lakes, mountains, valleys, rivers, soil, and weather. Let's understand them better. Lakes. Lakes are large bodies of fresh or salt water that are surrounded by land and are not part of an ocean. They could be natural or man-made. Mountains. Mountains are landforms with steep, sloping sides that rise high above the ground, having sharp or rounded ridges. Valleys. Valleys are land formations which usually lie between ranges of hills and mountains. They are formed through erosion and they provide good pasture for grazing animals. Also look at rivers. Rivers are large streams of natural flowing water which flow through a channel. They connect to other rivers and oceans, carrying fresh water to plants, people, and animals across the earth. Soil. Soil is the loose upper layer of the earth's surface. It consists of organic materials, bits of rocks, and minerals. Examples of soil are sandy soil, loamy soil, and clay soil. Finally, weather. Weather is the state of the air and atmosphere at a particular time and place. Some types are cloudy, snowy, sunny, and rainy. Let's do a quick recap of our topic of today, physical environment. Physical environment refers to the area in which all living things dwell in to make the earth habitable. And we studied lakes, mountains, valleys, rivers, soil, and weather. I hope you've enjoyed today's lessons and have been more enlightened. Enjoy your physical environment and remember to be good citizens always. See you next class. Bye.